complaints filed by investors through the markets regulators SEBI scores platform dropped by over 90% in the financial year 2026 against last year, reflecting increased regulatory scrutiny stock of the 61,000 investor complaints filed through SEBI complaints redress system scores mechanism during financial year 2026, 20,000 were against stock brokers stock. This was, however, less than the 26,000 complaints against them last year, the regulators latest annual report showed stock complaints against stockbrokers are higher due to their prominent consumer facing role in the investing ecosystem stock. In financial year 2025, the portal saw a total of 68,000 complaints through scores stock. Experts attributed the drop in the number of complaints to increased regulatory scrutiny, lower volumes, and enhanced security measures stock. We saw much lesser futures and options volumes this year due to SEBI's changes to reduce volatility stock. Also, they have the tightening the regulatory news and beefing up investor protection stock. These measures likely contributed to the lower number of complaints this year, a legal expert at a legal consultancy firm said stock. The derivatives segment contributes over 90% to the overall average volumes in the Indian equity market stock. Measures such as increasing the minimum lot size, rationalizing weekly expires for exchanges and collecting options, premiums upfront help the regulator curb the volatility in the derivatives market, with the volume of contracts traded in the futures segment declining by 15% year on year, while the volumes for the options segment crashed by nearly 52% in financial year 2026 stock. Out of the total complaints under the scores mechanism in financial year 2026, 17.2% were escalated to the market regulator, higher than the 16.2% that were escalated last year stock. This escalation is part of the scores 2.1 mechanism, which came into effect in April 2024 stock. Under the mechanism, investor grievances are automatically sent to the concerned organizations, and the matter is escalated to the market regulator if not resolved within 21 days stock. The regulator first introduced the score mechanism in 2011 to enhance digital governance and expedite investor complaints stock. Any investor can lodge a complaint digitally against an entity through the mechanism, provided they have a PAN card and valid know your customer KYC. Stop. It is one of the complaint resolution mechanisms introduced by the regulator, with other being the smart ODR, secure, and the government operated portal. Stop.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस डिक्टेशन के जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स होंगे वो आपको शॉर्ट्स में मिल जाएंगे। थैंक यू।